How is blue light harmful for us if it's produced by the sun? The difference between artificial blue light and the sun is that the sun gives us the full frequency, the full spectrum of light, which means that not only do we get blue light, we also get the purple light, we also get the red light, and actually about 44% of our sunlight is red light. When you learn that red light is actually the antidote to blue light, then you start to realize there's some things that we could do to curb the effects of blue light in our biology. And not a lot of people want to talk about it or even know to talk about it because it's not really shared. But there's a lot of research that's been published recently, and also research going back to the 60s, 70s, and 80s. You look at research from like people like John Ott, who published the book talking about the effects of light. There's actually an interesting study that was done that shows that kids that were exposed to artificial light in classrooms were giving off ADHD symptoms. And then when they changed the light bulbs to newer light bulbs that had less flicker, or more specifically when they turned off all the lights and opened the doors and let natural light in, over time these kids stopped showing symptoms of ADHD. Light flicker is a whole other subject that I'm definitely going to jump into because it's interesting. Some things that I've learned, some things that I've observed personally, where I begin to curb my habits with going out to stores at night or wearing blue blocking glasses when I'm out in stores at night. Make sure you do your own research. I think light flickering is very interesting to look into. Google's a big tool. We have AI. Ask them the right questions. But ultimately do your own research and figure out what it is that these things are doing to us.